here's how we can add text to photos on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. First of all, let's go to Gallery and let's open any photo which we want to edit. Now, at the bottom, press this pen icon in order to edit the photo. Go to this smiley face over here and choose text. Now we can write anything that we wish to. You can use this slider over here on the left side in order to change the size of the text. We have a bunch of different tools here as well, like the color and so on and so forth. So be sure to check that out as well. And let's actually tap outside. And of course we can create multiple texts at once. Once we are done, we can press save over here. Oh, and of course we can also adjust and rotate these texts. We can press save in order to replace the original photo, or we can press these three dots and choose to save copy so that the original photo is kept. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!